We are reading Science Spotlight book and here is the chapter 2, which is parts of plants. There are 3 parts of plants mainly, which are stem, roots and leaf. But in the fruity or flowery plants there are 6 parts, which are flower, bud, fruit, leaf, roots and stem. Here is an assessment. Let's enjoy this assessment. You will guess which part of this. What is this? Yes, it's a flower. What is this? Think deeply. It is a leaf. And what is this little one? It is a bud. And here is a fruit. This one is root, and root is under the soil. This one is stem. It begins from the soil and moves upward.